Iqembu i-Economic Freedom Fighters liyise umkhankaso walo eSunrise Park eNorthwest.
My role is not to become the president of South Africa. My responsibility and my task is to promote a black love. That black people must love one another, black people must protect one another, black people must always do things together. Because when we get victimized together.
Leli qembu livulele icala lobugebengu umnyango wamaphoyisa imigwaqo nokuthutha isifundazweni. I-EFF isola lo mnyango ngokuthi wachitha imali ezigidi ezingama-700 ngomhlangano wabesifazane kwezemigwaqo owawubanjwe ngohlelo lokuxhumana nge-internet. Lo mnyango bewenganyelwe nguSam Mashinini omisiwe khathi kwenziwa izinguquko kuKhabhinethi ngesonto elidlule. eNorthern Cape izakhamuzi zaseLerato Park zithi sekuphele isikhathi eside zilinde ukuthunyelwa kwezidingo ngqangi manje sezibeke amathemba azo eqenjini ezizisungulele lona iFrancis Bard Service Delivery Forum.
We would want to remove politics out of service delivery, primarily because service delivery is to ensure that our lives are going on. In other words, when you wake up in the morning, you want to ensure that you have electricity, you want to make sure you've got water, you have sanitation.
Leli qembu kulindeleke ukuthi lingenele ukhetho kumawadi amane esifundeni iFrancis Bard. Iqembu iAfrica's New Dawn for South Africa iANSA lethule umqulu wezethembiso neinhloso zokhetho ePhumulong. Lithi uma livotelwa lizoqinisekisa ukuthi iningi labantu lithola inkululeko yezomnotho. Umsunguli walo uMpho Ramakatsa uthi bazoqeda nya ngenkohlakalo.
We have started already registering cooperatives for them, and there are those that are already operating because we help them to source the goods and services that they want reasonably, and we empower them with education, financial management.
Leli qembu lizongenela ukhetho komasipala abathathu eFree State naseNorthern Cape.